In today's video, I'm walking you through exactly how to optimize your Amazon product listings using Helium 10. My name is Ashley Roberts, and whether you're brand new to Amazon FBA or looking to boost your organic ranking and conversions, this tutorial is going to walk you through the full process using real tools inside Helium 10. Let's get into it. So first off, what is Helium 10? Helium 10 is one of the top Amazon seller tools that helps with everything from product research to keyword tracking. But today we're focusing specifically on how to use it to optimize your product listing, which basically means helping more people find your products and actually want to buy them once they do. So listing optimization has two goals: SEO, which is search engine optimization, which is helping the Amazon algorithm understand your products so it shows up in search results. Next is the conversion optimization. So this is making your listing so compelling that when shoppers land on it, they actually buy. So today we're focusing on the SEO side to make sure that your product ranks for the right keywords. If you want to check out Helium 10, I've left a link in the description below. So once you're logged in, this is what the dashboard looks like. We're going to navigate up to tools, and there is so much here. We've got product research, keyword research, listing optimization, learning, operations, analytics. But today we're going to be focusing on keyword research and listing optimization. So what we want to do first is go ahead and click Cerebro. This is where we're going to identify high ranking keywords. So what we're going to do is go to Amazon and find a couple of ASIN numbers of high ranked, we'll use water bottles for example. What we don't want to do is use the sponsored because we want to find the organic top keywords. So let's go ahead and we'll go here, link a new tab, go here. We'll just pick 3 for now. Cool. So then we're going to scroll down, find the the ASIN number. We'll copy that one and copy this last one. Then in Cerebro, we will go ahead and paste all of those. We'll click Get Keywords. Amazing. So now what we want to do is make sure we remove the brand name, because if we're not using that brand, we wouldn't want that keyword. So we'll remove that. And then let's also build a custom filter. The ranking position 1 to 20 and competitor rank count 1+. So we'll click Apply Filters. So now I've got all these keywords. We can go ahead and grab all of these if we want, or if we want to go ahead and see in the last 30 days which one ranked the highest. And this is the search volume trend. So we'll go ahead and click this. We'll click some of these just for examples. Perfect. Amazing. Now what we want to do is add to a list. I already created this folder, but you can create a new folder. So we'll click there. That is going to come in handy, so you need to save them to a list. A very important step. Okay, next what we're going to do is we're going to come back to the dashboard. I would just open it in a separate tab so you still have all these keywords if you want to add more. We're going to go to Tools and we're going to go to Listing Builder. We are going to click Add Listing. We'll create from scratch. Start building for Amazon. Make sure that's selected. Since we're building a new listing for a water bottle, we're going to add these keywords. So we'll click Add to Bank. If we didn't make that folder, that wouldn't have shown up there. So now you also can get keyword suggestions or manually add, but I would recommend just keeping all of the keywords in a folder so you just have them ready to go. Now we'll create the listing, and you'll want to use the exact keywords that we saved, like I said. So here you want to enter product characteristics, add your keywords, and automatically generate copy by clicking Write It For Me. So we can, let's just say it's blue, water bottle, sleek, non-leak, tumbler. Okay, and then you can click Write For Me, and then it will make suggestions for you. So you can click Use Suggestion. Same with bullet points. Obviously you want to customize it, make sure you're editing it to make sure it makes sense. Okay, and then you can do this for multiple bullet points. Okay, and the thing is that as you use the keywords, it'll cross it off. So just to make sure you're using all of the ones that make sense. Amazing. And then all you have to do is link listing and finish. So with your title, you want to include high volume phrases first, and then the bullet points is where you highlight product features and benefits. And then the description you write like you're talking to your ideal buyer. You also can click Hide Used to see what keywords you missed. You also can copy any leftovers into the search terms box, and there's max 250. And this is where all of your copy starts to come together. You're writing like a human, but you're also making sure the algorithm sees all of the right keywords. Even if you're not ready to upload your listing yet, you can prep everything in Helium 10 and save it for later. Go ahead and click finish and you've got it ready to go. So I just kind of wanted to go over some of the pros and cons of using Helium 10 so you're aware. So one of the biggest pros of using Helium 10 is how complete it is. You can go from idea to full listing in one platform without bouncing between tools. The keyword research tools are very robust and give you a full picture of what matters most to your niche. The listing builder is super easy to use and gives you real-time view of which keywords you've used. And the AI is such an extra added bonus as well. And the validation tools like Index Checker and Keyword Tracker help you measure whether your listing is actually working. On the flip side, the platform can feel a bit overwhelming at first if you're new. I know I personally felt overwhelmed when I first logged into it, but there are a lot of tools inside Helium 10 and it takes a little time to get comfortable with all the moving parts. It also requires a paid subscription to unlock everything, but the value is there if you're serious about selling on Amazon. And if you want to get 20% off your first 6 months, you want to enter code ecommastery20 at checkout. Yeah, so what you want to do to get a discount is click our exclusive link. You can create your account with Google. So all you have to do to have the code automatically entered is to use our exclusive link down below. You'll click get 20% off for 6 months. And then as you can see, it's automatically applied. So what you'll want to do is go ahead and type in your name, create a password, or you can just sign up directly with Google. But as you can see, the platinum plan is usually $99, but it drops to $79.20 a month. And you get that for the first 6 months, which is amazing. So if you want to check them out, go ahead and use our link in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use them, we just always want to thank you so much in advance for your support. So is Helium 10 for you? If you're selling on Amazon and want to increase visibility and conversions, Helium 10 is a must-have. The keyword research alone is worth it, especially if you've been guessing what to include in your titles or bullet points. Whether you're launching a brand new product or optimizing an old listing, Helium 10 can help you show up in more searches, rank better keywords, convert more shoppers into customers. It's especially useful if you're managing multiple listings, running PPC campaigns, or want to scale your brand. That wraps up this video. Helium 10 is one of the best tools I've come across for optimizing listings. It makes the entire process from keyword research to final validation way more strategic and efficient. Whether you're brand new to Amazon or if you've been selling for a while, this gives you the structure and clarity you need to build a listing that works. This channel is dedicated to helping you master e-commerce tools, launch better products, and build a profitable business. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.